Good day everyone. Learn how to fix Windows 11 apps not opening. So I'll tell you the easiest solution. So by any chance, if any of the app is not opening, you just need to do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And here we need to go to this apps, the apps which is below the personalization. And here we can simply go to installed apps, uninstall and manage apps. So let's say if Dolby Access or Google Chrome or any other app is not like Microsoft Clipchamp, anything which is not opening, you can simply click on the three dots and you can go to advanced option and you can try to repair and try to reset, see if that works for you. And so you will get an option to repair, reset and uninstall. Try to repair it first, see if that works for you, and if it doesn't, you can uninstall it. So let's say if the Chrome is not working, you can click on uninstall and reinstall it again. All right, so whatever the app is there, do that and see if that works for you. That's the best thing. And if you have any corruption in your computer, you can run a command to repair your computer and just type cmd and run as administrator, say yes, and type sfc space / scan now. So if there is any problem with the operating system, this will fix the system and repair the system. Any which way, it is very good for the computer. So you can begin the system scan and let the scan happen. It might take 2 to 5 minutes to do so, and then restart the computer. All right. Please do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section. Please do share this tutorial as well. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.